Hello, germs and jewels. It's Feel Good Friday. Feel Good Friday. Great. Yes, it's Friday, and I'm excited to be here. I am Miss Janet, and what is your name? I am excited to see you today. Yes, it's Friday. Right. Hi, friends. Let's move on to our learning board and review what we have been learning all week long. Are you ready to do that with me? Great! Let's get started. Friends, so if yesterday was Thursday, today is Friday, and tomorrow will be Saturday. Now, let's sing Today is Friday. Friday, today is Friday, all day long, all day long, Friday, 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 all day long, all day long. Today is Friday, today is Friday, all day long, all day long, Friday, 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 all day long, all day long. Great singing. Today is Friday. Now let's move on to the calendar and find out what today's date is by counting the numbers on the calendar. Will you help me do that? Great. Now let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Great job. That was a big counting. Good job, friends. You have done an amazing job. So today is Friday, September 30th, 2022. And friends, guess what? The next time we will meet, it is going to be a new month. And that month starts with the letter O. C, T, O, B, E, R. October. That is the name of that month. So September, October. So the next time that we will meet, it will be in October. Great job. The season is fall and the weather is raining. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. All my friends wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. So the weather is raining at my end. What is the weather where you live? Thank you for sharing. Now let's move on to the shape and the color of the week. So the shape and the color of the week is orange diamond. A diamond has 4 sides. And let's count it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the color is orange. Now, let's move on to the letter of the week. This week, we've been learning about the soft C sound. And the soft C sound make the sound S, because the C is followed by E. And anytime C is followed by E, it makes the S sound like S. Now, let's sing the letter song. The C says, C says, the C says, every letter makes a sound. The C says, one more time. The C says, the C says, every letter makes a sound. The C says, great singing. So anytime C is followed by E, it makes the sound like S, as in cell. C-E-L. S-E-L-L, cell phone. As in center, C-E-N-T-E-R. As in cereal, cereal. It begins with C-E. Yes, so these are some of the words that begin with this soft C sound, and it makes the sound S. We are done revealing our entire learning board. Hey friends, guess what? It's Feel Good Friday. Yes, it's Feel Good Friday, and we want to dance, 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 dance. Are you ready to dance with me? You can stand, you can sit, you can do whatever that you choose to do. And then let's dance. Let's get our bodies moving. 1, 2, 3. Uh, 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 Great job! You did amazing. You did amazing job. Yes, this brings us to the end of today's circle time, and I will see you again. Have a great weekend, and I love you. Bye.